Hello, you guys. So today is the second day of me going to Berlin. I'm driving to work right now. Greg stayed in Germany, and I flew home yesterday, and then I'm flying back today, and then I will be there, I guess, tomorrow morning. He'll come to the hotel. I have to sleep, and then we're gonna go out for our last day in Berlin. We might do like a walking tour or something, like a guided tour from the podcast. I am so tired today. I am like just kind of sleepwalking through the day. I am doing my 2-hour drive to work. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna make it because I'm ready to take like a 2-hour nap, but unfortunately I ran out of time today. I had to get the kids off to school. Today they have half days. Tomorrow's their last day. I had to get them ready. I just got Buddy a new sitter, so I dropped him off at the sitter. He's going to be there until Friday, so hopefully that works out. And I have my coffee, and I'm just going to sip away at coffee all day until I get there and I'm able to sleep. But it's all right. Just a little tired, you know. You do what you got to do. I got to go get my husband. I think he's having a good time. He's, I think, a little lonely out there. He says he doesn't have anybody to talk to, so he's not like me. I can pretty much talk to anybody or a camera. And so he's feeling a little lonely, but hey, that's what he wanted. He wanted to go out to a foreign country and be there by himself, I guess. I don't know why, but that's what we did, and I don't know if he liked it. Anyway, all right, guys, I will check in with you later, probably once I get to Berlin. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hello. Hello.
Here we are.
This is day 2 for me. Day 4 for Greg, I think. We took a really long nap, and now we're out and we're gonna go do our guided tour through the podcast. Yeah, we're gonna show you that. Bye. Hi. So so we are at the I don't know, but it's I guess the federal building here in the center of Berlin. So we have our little headphones. We're going to start the tour. We're starting here. See, there's a dome, a glass dome that's all the way at the top, and you can you can overlook the entire city. I don't know if we're going to get to go in. Really? You want to try to go in? I think it would be kind of cool. But anyway, we'll see. And then I think it just kind of takes us around the tour. It's a walking tour. They're pretty cool. I never knew it existed, but here we are. All right, bye.
Denim Dan out.
What?
Denim Dan out.
Denim Dan. He makes fun of my jacket. Because he's mean. This is a memorial for where the wall separated Berlin, and in 1945, I guess, there's a cross for each person that died trying to cross the wall.
That was in the 60s, not the 40s.
I didn't say the 40s.
Yes, you said 1945.
Okay. 1965, I'm sorry. My bad. Yeah, they represent where the wall stood.
Like right here, East and West Berlin at the same time.
What?
East and West Berlin at the same time.
East and West Berlin. Yeah, you're gonna straddle it. Yeah, it goes all the way down.
I would have made it over that wall.
Yeah, lots of people died.
1,000.
Yeah. So this area right here, although there's nothing really to see, this whole area right here was where Hitler's bunker was, and most of it was underground. And this is where him and his wife committed suicide, and then it was bombed and I guess replaced with a parking lot. This is it shows you like right here it shows you how, I mean, it's like a mansion for a bunker. Yes, I'm good. Okay, so we had stopped to get a drink. Look at this thing. He's so creepy. So I had to really go to the bathroom. And so we figured that we would stop and get a drink so I could go, because I almost didn't make it. Mama almost didn't make it. So this drink is Prosecco and elderberry or something, mint, and I'm not really sure what else. But another flight attendant had told me to try it, so we're gonna try it. It's all right. It's called Hugo in Spanish, but I don't know how you pronounce it in German. Ooh,
It's a birdie.
It's okay. Refreshing for a hot day. That today it's not, because it's actually pretty chilly. It's really, really, really windy, right?
Love it. I love it.
Say excuse me.
I love it. I don't like my fat jowls, but I love it. You're gonna edit that out.
We all have fat jowls. Greg and I are going on a diet when we get back, and we're gonna start going to the gym because we can't stand our fat selves.
We sometimes oil our bodies up in sticks of butter and rub it
Okay,
on each
goodbye.
other.
So we've just made it back to the States. We are at the airport. I'm waiting for Greg to get through customs and immigration, and then we're gonna head home. Actually, today is not an ideal day to be heading down because we live down the shore, and it's Friday, so it should be a little busy, but I'm gonna make him drive home. The perks of taking your husband to work. Anyway, thank you guys for coming along and watching while we explore more of Germany, and this time with Greg. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of laughs, and it was good. It was good to spend some one-on-one time with my husband. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you again in the next vlog. All right, bye.